Do you guys remember this car? You guys remember? It's me who forgot it. We got the Kia Seltos around I think 2 or 3 months now, and since the time we got it, I've been driving only that car. Reason being, my dad loved this car more than the Seltos, and from that time onwards, Seltos has become my primary car. Yesterday I just realized that I have to get the service done for this car. It's been like really long. I'll not be taking it to the Hyundai service center. I'll be going for the Go Mechanic service because they're pretty good. I've done it for the Accent once and I really like their work. But before that, I'll have to book a slot on Go Mechanic app. Let's book a slot for annual periodic maintenance. But before that, I forgot to give you guys the intro. What's up guys? Kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. Just select your car. Car by brand. Mine is a Hyundai Verna. Yes, Verna Fluidic. Ours is a Verna. Petrol, CNG, diesel. Amara है diesel. The best part is you can select your location and it will give you the best Go Mechanic service centers around you. Isn't that cool? We need periodic services. You have 3 services here. I think I'll go with the standard service. Okay, let's add this. You can add the coupon here. So let me check out, get a confirmation, and let's go take the Verna out for a spin. Oh, I forgot. Not keyless entry, right? After sitting like in this car after 3 months, this feels like so relaxed and down. Obviously it's a sedan. One thing I miss is Bose sound system, and look at this. That's such a tiny TFT. Okay, remember this place? Go Mechanic. This is the exact place where I got my Accent serviced as well. I was happy with their service, so I decided to get the Verna as well. By the way, even Sai Kiran, it seems, after he saw my video, he came here for a service. The next day.
Yes, and I was utterly satisfied with the service that they have offered me.
Which car did you get serviced?
Mine was Alto K10 back then.
Now he's got the Baleno. First important thing to do, go for a test drive. You should tell me if there is any issue. I feel it's all good. Okay. Brakes are like this, or only this car is like this? I feel brakes are a bit spongy.
No, every car.
All Vernas are like this.
Yes.
Can we change it to a better brake system?
No,
बात काली. He diagnosed that there is engine noise, little bit extra engine noise than usual. It is. For me, that is definitely loud because I've been driving a petrol Seltos all these days. That is too smooth. But normally it is not like this, Verna. Then what might be the issue?
Injector noises.
Injector. By the way, Akhil happens to be my subscriber as well. He's from Go Mechanic. Subscriber, na?
Subscriber.
Subscriber. What all do we get in annual periodic maintenance? That is what we are doing on the car, right?
Yes. So in this, engine oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, the 4 are replaced.
Okay.
And brake pads will be cleaned, both front and rear.
Okay.
Gear oil will be topped up.
Okay.
And coolant will be topped up. AC filter is also cleaned in this. And if in the case the replacement is needed, we'll get the approval from the customer, and we then, after the approval itself only, we go for the replacement of the anything.
You're a Royal Enfield rider as well, right?
Yes.
Biker. कार ने కింద నేను చూసావా మీరైతే పడదు కదా The only time I think I'll see my car like this. Thumbnail. I think it's almost done. Just need to do the washing, shampooing and all that. I think we're good to go. That's good. 0 errors. Second, do you know how to drive an automatic car?
Easy gundana.
Did you drive it before?
Yeah.
గేర్ లేదు మర్చిపోయి.
లేదు అది చెయ్యే దాని మీద పోతుంది.
It's done only 20,300 kilometers. That too in 4 years, close to 4 years.
My car right now it is just 3.5 months old and it has done 7,500 kilometers.
ఒకటే పెట్టి కూర్చొని తిప్పుతున్నారు టైర్ని. One thing I feel different is the smell. It feels new now. They shampooed it inside a little bit, so I think that is the new smell I'm getting. Okay, apart from this, first thing we have to do is go and eat. We did not eat from morning. My breakfast kaya literally 3 eggs. That's it. After that, abhi tak I didn't eat anything. Are you on a diet?
I am on my diet.
Good.
Good thing is
ఇట్లాంటి కంపెనీ ఉంటే కొంచెం తినొచ్చు పోయి నాకు కావాల్సినవి తినొచ్చు. That was a really good service by Go Mechanic. One thing you should definitely try in the Go Mechanic app is high performance AC service, because summer is approaching. I think all our car ACs should be on point. This high performance AC service is specifically for servicing your AC and maintaining it. All that is okay. Now let me get a little bit fresh, take a power nap. Not required, but when I take a power nap, it definitely makes me a completely new person. And now I have to quickly get out. A quick weekend outing, and also it is Feb 13th today, which means tomorrow is Feb 14th, which means it is Valentine's Day. So we planned for a small dinner, and a chota sa incident happened at home. A sad incident. I'll tell you in a second. You told Dad that we are going.
I told we are going. ये रख देना बीच में. तेरा glass पीछे रख.
Okay, we reached the place, and the sad thing. Do you want to talk about the sad part here or inside the restaurant?
I'm already sad. We'll talk later.
Okay, we'll talk later. By the way, we reached this place called, what is this? American
This Chili's, dude.
Chili's. Are we celebrating
So
anything?
we're getting my bag.
Are we celebrating our...
Yeah, we're celebrating each other.
No, we're celebrating our anniversary as well. We didn't do anything for our anniversary. You want to say what did we do for our anniversary?
Nothing.
Okay, so the sad part is this. Nice, show your face. She's happy. That's the best part of being a kid. Whatever it is, they'll be happy. Actually, she has burns. My mom was cooking and she put my chicken on the pan. There was some cold chicken, frozen chicken. She put on the hot pan and oil spilled out. Everything came and fell on her. Accidental, obviously. Who will do it wantedly? And now she has spots. It will go away in a month or two, but no, in a month it will be fine. Pooja was like really, really sad. Obviously, I was also sad, but can't do much. At least she's happy. She's fine now. That's why this is one of the main reasons we came out as well. See these 2 or 3 spots here. So nice, so.
कुछ नहीं हुआ baby. हाँ baby, you're a strong girl.
Nice, you're all good, na? Good?
I just realized we're all in blue.
Oh yes. Pooja is wearing blue. She is wearing blue. I am wearing bright blue. But this was not planned.
Exactly, this wasn't planned.
Not at all planned. Chalo, happy Valentine's Day. Abhi nahi batana. While going, I'll tell you. Happy anniversary. Why am I doing this? We can do this.
Maybe I like doing this punch.
This is for COVID, anti-COVID. This is...
कुछ भी.
Chi. Oh, punch. You're doing punch. Very good. That's like proper 13.5 kilometers per liter. This is the first time in Kia Seltos in my life, in whatever driven, 1969 kilometers. I got like amazing mileage. That too in the city. Reason being?
See, you should listen to wifey also. Do you to drive slowly?
No, that's because Naisha is there.
Obviously.
She already started having this puking feeling. I had to drive like very slowly. That's the reason we got this much of mileage. Good.
नहीं, we'll go. चलो, इधर आ गया.